Hi guys, today lecture is all about collections, how we make the collections and add products into the collection. We in the previous lecture we have added the products from a bundle to our store. These are the other products which we have export from a bundle to our store. Now we add them to their collections. First we make the collection, then add products to the collections. You click on the collections, create collection. First we make. There is two options: manual select product, automatically stack product, and automatically we give the tags and in which it take the matching title of the product and product type, product vendor, product price, which will automatically add the products from the product section to the collections. But I mainly do the manual because it is more accurate than collection, because we first see the products and then add to them to the representative collections. One collection is created. Create and draw addresses. Now three collections are created. Now we go to the product section. Where are the products are there? Now we search the products dresses. Now all the dresses from the search query. We select a here all dresses. Now bulk action. Add to pro collection. Dog dresses. Now again dog houses. Select all. Now add colors. Now all the products are added to their representative collections. We're going to go here. We check that. Now here are the products in the collections. You can also set the collection images if you want. Otherwise it will take the images automatically of the last product by best selling. You can add an product collection image here. And this all from this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thanks.